Hi everyone and good afternoon. I am back with this week's spot prize giveaway game, and if you watched yesterday's video, what we're guessing is 10 of my favourite films. Now, I just picked the first 10 that came to mind. So obviously the first one is the film I've watched the most, and then the other 9 are films that, obviously are my favourites, some of my favourite films. Now, how we've been playing it is the person to guess number 1 answer will get all of these prizes, and then the rest of the other 9, your name will go into a pot for an added prize. So, right, okay, you've probably seen from this that 2 of the answers were guessed yesterday. So that means that we have 2 names to go into the pot. Now, these names are gone now, and it was the first person to guess these that is actually going into the second pot. So, Pretty Woman was guessed by Christine Mortimer. So, Christine, you have an entry into our second prize. And also, Sally Crafter guessed Ghost. Very good film. So your name is also going into the second prize. Now, I did say if number 1 was not, if no one got it, I will be adding more things to the goodies. So this is what I'm actually adding. I'm going to add one of my little Pussycat bookmarks because they're so super cute. Look how cute these little cats are. Look. So one of those, and I also have this edged coffee dyed paper for your journals, and I have a little notebook that's made from vintage papers, and I've left it so you can decorate it. So those are the 3 things that have been added to the main prize, shall we say. So keep on guessing. If you don't get it in the next couple of days, I will be giving out clues. So if you haven't got it by Monday, then I will be adding more clues till somebody gets it. So that's the main prize. Now, the second prize, which the names are going into the pot for, these are the things that I've sorted out for you. So we've got one of the cat bookmarks. This is a playing card that I've altered. And it's got little cats on it. Look how cute that is. So those 2. I've got 3 pieces of ephemera that have been sewn and coffee dyed, which you can use for tuck spots, journaling cards. I have this flip out pocket, which can go into a journal, and one of these coffee dyed pieces of paper with a nice edge. So what I will be doing is adding something to each one until they go. So that's it. So keep on guessing. You get 1 guess a day, remember, and I will be back tomorrow to tell you whether anyone has guessed my number 1 film or any of the other films that are on there. And well done to Sally Crafter and the lovely Christine. So well done. Your names are going into the pot. See you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.